Hello, I'm Christine Leeper. This is for assignment life / career assessment phase 2, and I will be playing as a counselor again in working with the Minnesota Importance Questionnaire, the MIQ. A client has come to me with career concerns and wants recommendations about whether the MIQ would be a good tool to use. The assignment is to explain the purpose, validity, and appropriate uses. So here I go. Hi, Tammy. How are you today? They would respond. I see that you're having some career concerns. I assume you've been just kind of working on whether, seeing what you're into, what your interests are. That's good. Yep, the Minnesota Important Questionnaire could be a potential tool. The MIQ, it's pretty basic. You would use it. It's really easy. It's an easy assessment. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes, which really isn't that bad. It assesses 20 different vocational needs that you as an individual have. I can list those 20. It'd be the ability of utilization, achievement, activity, advancement and authority, company policies and practices, compensation, your coworkers, creativity, independence, moral values, recognition, responsibility, security, social services and statuses, the supervision, variety, and working conditions. These are all different areas of the job that you as an individual either have concerns or you feel that one is more important than the other, and it just kind of rates it like on a Likert scale. Which one is really the most important to you, and which it can go from there on what you are looking for in a job. It's administered by pen, paper, and pencil. That's how it originated. I'm not really sure if they do computer versions as of yet. I'm sure in this day and age, I'm sure that they do. What is really important about the MIQ is that you need to use honest as possible. First gut reactions are always best. You want to read the question, even if it feels redundant, and you just pick whatever, you pick the answer that you feel pops out at you first. And that generally is what you should go for. And then you just move right on to the next question. And you continue to do that until all of the questions are answered. What's also important in the MIQ is how you can do your scores. When you look at your scores, you got to remember, the higher you score in each of the 20 vocational needs that I told you about, that's where your preferences lie. That's where you feel the most important about your job. So this is where this is where you find the meat and potatoes of it. Especially in career assessment, the MIQ is a good start. It's a good starting place, I would absolutely say. However, in regards to validity, how well it is, I'd really say it's a starting point. It'll get you in the right direction as far as what your needs are, what you feel is important, in which case you can then move on to either taking those results and going off and applying those to different jobs that you're offered or that you're looking to, or you can take it a step further and take other career assessment tools, and you can apply your results with your MIQ to those assessments that you want to take. You also want to be sure that, because it is self-reported, validity can possibly, there is room for error, especially, if you're not being honest with yourself. If you're not being honest in your questions, in your answers, when answering questions, that can cause some room for untrue validity there. So just, I would warn you about that. As far as appropriate use goes, I would absolutely encourage you to use it as a starting point. It is a very good tool to use, so I would just keep that in mind. So if there's any questions you have about the MIQ, where to take it, what exactly, oh, what exactly kinds of jobs that you were interested in that you know maybe I'm not sure if they're if you're liking your job or what's going on, but we can absolutely meet. We can talk about other concerns, what's going on at work, what's or the lack of there. So I hope that I've been able to answer your questions, and please feel free to come to me at any time.